Honor Magic Phi 3 Review. Hello, my dear friend. Are you ready to meet one of the most exciting innovations in the world of technology, the Honor Magic Phi 3? Today, I'll walk you through every detail of this foldable phone that not only dazzles with its design, but also packs the power of a true performance beast. If you're someone who follows tech closely and loves staying up to date with the latest developments, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. My dear friend, remember that it took me a whole day to prepare this video for you, but subscribing to the channel will only take you 2 seconds, so don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's dive into the mesmerizing world of the Honor Magic Phi 3 together. Design and display. Honor Magic Phi 3 is only 9.2 millimeters thick, and even when folded, it maintains a sleek profile. The device features a 6.43-inch external display and a 7.92-inch internal display. Both screens utilize OLED technology and offer a 120 Hz refresh rate with HDR10+ support. Moreover, with 4320 Hz PWM dimming technology, your eyes will experience less strain during extended use. Dear friend, I want to make a little reminder. Can you support me in reaching 1,000 subscribers? Please subscribe. Performance and battery. This powerhouse is equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM, ensuring top-tier performance. Storage options go up to 512 gigabytes, providing ample space for all your files and media. The 5150 mAh battery supports 66-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, meaning you can quickly charge your device and use it for extended periods without worry. Dear friend, I would like to make a small reminder. I need your support to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I would appreciate it if you subscribe. Camera. The Honor Magic Phi 3 boasts a 50-megapixel main camera, accompanied by an ultra-wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. These cameras allow you to capture professional-quality photos and videos, including 4K video recording and various photo modes. The front camera features a 32-megapixel resolution, ensuring your selfies and video calls look crisp and clear. My dear friend, I want to ask you a little favor. I need your support to reach 1,000 subscribers. I would be very happy if you subscribe. 5G features. The Honor Magic Phi 3 comes with 5G support, ensuring that your internet connection is faster and more reliable than ever. 5G technology provides higher download and upload speeds, lower latency, and wider coverage. This means you can enjoy a seamless experience whether you're playing online games, having video conferences, or streaming high-definition videos. Dear friend, I need to make a reminder. Your help in reaching 1,000 subscribers is very valuable to me. I would be grateful if you subscribe. Other features. The device is IPX8 certified for water resistance, meaning it's highly resistant to water and dust. With support for the Honor Magic Pen, taking notes and drawing on the device becomes a breeze. It runs on the Magic OS 8.01 operating system, which is based on Android 14, bringing the latest software features to your fingertips. Dear friend, I have to make a reminder. I need your support to reach 1,000 subscribers. I would appreciate it if you subscribe. Detailed review. The design of the Honor Magic Phi 3 is truly impressive. Even when folded, it remains remarkably thin, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. The external display is perfectly sized for everyday use, and when you unfold the device, you're greeted with a spacious screen, almost like using a tablet. This is a huge advantage, especially when watching videos or playing games. In terms of performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor combined with 16 gigabytes of RAM means the phone can handle even the most demanding apps without breaking a sweat. With up to 512 gigabytes of storage, there's plenty of room for your photos, videos, and other files. The 5150 mAh battery ensures that the phone will last all day, even with heavy usage. Plus, with 66-watt fast charging and 50-watt wireless charging, you can quickly charge the device and keep using it for hours. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe. It makes me really happy. The camera features are also quite impressive. The 50-megapixel main camera, ultra-wide-angle lens, and telephoto lens allow you to take professional-quality photos and videos. With 4K video recording and various photo modes, you can unleash your creativity. The front camera, with its 32-megapixel resolution, ensures that your selfies and video calls are always in high definition. Conclusion: Honor Magic Fi 3 is truly an impressive device, both in terms of design and features. If you're a tech enthusiast looking for an innovative phone, this might be the perfect fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.